Sure. And let's go on to the next presenter. This is a 10-minute talk by Amirul Hasim Kamarulzaman.
Yes.
Apadilangit at Home as a catalyst of interest in STEAM during COVID-19 pandemic. You have 10 minutes. I'll give you a pointer at 7 minutes so that we have some 2 minutes for questions. Over to you.
All right. Thank you. So before I start, I just want to check my audio. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Thank you. So I will share my screen over here. Okay. Uh, okay. So a very good morning to everyone, and also it's a morning here in Malaysia. So my name is Hazim bin Kamarulzaman. I'm representing from Apadilangit Universe Awareness Malaysia, and my topic of presentation today is about Apadilangit Home as catalyst of interest in STEAM during the COVID-19 pandemic. So I try to compress everything within this 10 minutes presentation. I hope that it is enough. Okay. So before that, I would like to introduce what is Apadilangit Universe Awareness Malaysia. So Apadilangit, also known as Universe Awareness Malaysia, is an organization popularizing astronomy, space science, and also space application in Malaysia through education. So these are the pictures that of us, me, and also our co-founder. I am the co-founder and also the founder of this Apadilangit Universe Awareness Malaysia is Hafiz Mirza. Also will be presenting then after this. All right, so we aim to create scientifically aware society and contribute to the technological and social development of the country. We embed STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and also mathematics in education in our programs. Okay. We provide services and products in the area of education in astronomy or space science in schools, college, NGOs, corporations, rural markets, and also individuals. So here are some of the pictures during our program. Okay, do like, follow, and subscribe our social media as well. All right, before I go into further discussion about this topic, I would like to address some of the challenges that we face during this COVID-19 pandemic, especially towards students and also children during this pandemic. So some of the challenges are schools are closed, definitely, because to avoid the spread of this virus, schools are closed and everyone are forced to stay at home, where the government implement the movement control order since March. Besides that, children stay at home without not much to do at home. So yeah, some of them did have online classes where teachers go for online class to teach the children, but some of them quite late to be start for online class. Okay, besides that, no hands-on experience for learning science. As we know, most of the science activity needs to be hands-on activity. And in school, we have laboratory where children or students can do the experiment on their own. And also the fourth one is gadget addiction, which is not good and not healthy as well for especially younger children. Okay, so we come for some solutions to overcome the challenges. We provide the home-based learning, which is the Apadilangit at Home itself. And for daily activities, astronomy modules, we focus on that, and also some of space technologies activities as well. Doing hands-on activity modules just with staffs from home. So after this, I will more detail into what are the modules and also activities that we provide. And interactive online activities. So we not only provide or give them hands-on module that they need to find few things that they need to build, but we also have some online activities by using Kahoot and also quizzes. Okay. So Apadilangit at Home. So we developed the first astronomy module in Malay language during this COVID-19. Besides that, the activity suits for kindergarten, primary, and also secondary school students. So these are our target during this COVID-19 pandemic for Apadilangit Home for kindergarten, primary, and also secondary students. So this concept of the modules encourages 3R concept, which is reuse, reduce, and also recycle. So they just use everything that they have from their home. Because during this pandemic, during that time in March and April, people are not allowed to go outside. So they just can reuse everything that in their house. The modules are free to download from our website. Later on, I will share the website and use the modules so that it is free to use and free to download. Some of the modules are examined by our academic advisor. So we have currently 3 academic advisors that govern our modules so that the modules are quality enough for the children's or the students can understand what is the purpose of the Apodi Home modules that we provide. And this makes astronomy as a great subject as for catalyst of interest in STEAM amongst children, because all of these modules contains of science, technology, engineering, arts, and also mathematics, where they can learn, they can calculate, and so they can build something. That's art. All right. So our program for the Apodi Home was shared by the International Astronomical Union on social media and also website. So I just share here the screenshot of it. Okay, so you can find this from the IAU website called for online resources. So you can see here for Malay language, Bahasa Melayu is provided by us. And also it is shared by the IAU Office of Astronomy for Development India social media as well. So here is the screenshot of in their Facebook. Okay, so for the engagement reports, so we launched this module of programs, Apadilangit Home on March 25, and we have reached 8,297 people reached and with 58 shares. And the second part or the second phase of this Apadilangit Home was launched in 17 April with 1,161 people reached and with 12 shares. Okay, so these are the top 5 highest download modules that I would like to share here. So the number 5 is this one, with 44 downloads, and number 4 is the Constellation, 49 downloads. Number 3 is 53 downloads about word search activities. Number 2 is with 89 downloads about mathematics by using emojis to calculate. And also the number 1 is the continents of in the earth with 161 downloads. So these are some modules that they can download, and also there are some modules that they can use also or visit online links. All right. So okay, yeah. Okay,
You know, you have 2 more minutes. I think you're on time. Yeah.
Okay. So with that, I just want to share the website before I finish. Okay.
One more minute.
1 minute. Okay. Wait.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so these are the website of Apadilangit Home, and these are the modules that we have. People can just click in here, so they can retrieve the modules that they can download, and also they can access. Maybe I can show one example here. So these are the draft, or not the draft, the complete module of this Apadilangit Home. One of it is about satellite, where we have time constraint for this activity, how many minutes that they need, and also the suitable age, also the materials, objective of this learning, background of these activities, and yeah, they can just do the activities here. So I think that's conclude my presentation today. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe Apadilangit.
Thank you very much. So we don't have any